Slack is an effective platform for team collaboration, offering real-time messaging, file sharing, and integrations to streamline workflows. Here's how to use Slack with your team. Set up your workspace. Create a Slack workspace for your team. Invite all team members via email or a shareable link. Customize settings, such as notification preferences and user roles to suit your team's needs. Organize communication with channels. Use channels to group conversations by topic, project, or department. Make channels public for open discussions or private for sensitive topics. Encourage using threads within channels to keep conversations organized. Leverage direct messaging. Use direct messages for quick, one-on-one or small group conversations. Avoid using DMs for project-wide discussions to maintain transparency. Share files and collaborate. Upload files or documents directly into Slack or link cloud storage like Google Drive. Pin important messages or files to keep them easily accessible. Integrate tools. Connect apps like Trello, Asana, or Zoom to centralize workflows and avoid switching between platforms. Foster team culture. Use emojis, reactions, and custom Slack bots to create a fun and engaging environment. Set up casual channels like #random for off-topic discussions.